Step number 2. Effective efficiency. When we are efficient, it means that we can do the best job possible in the least amount of time. The first thing that you need to know is how long a task will take to accomplish. Then, you need to figure out if you can decrease that time without diminishing the quality of your work. It's not enough for you to just schedule. You need to ensure that you are precise about the time a task actually takes. Keep careful track of how long specific actions take and work towards decreasing the time you spend without diminishing the quality of your work. Step number 3. Present focus. The greatest enemy of your productivity is a distraction. In today's always-on-the-go world, the ability to remain attentive seems almost impossible. You might be able to schedule your time efficiently, but still lose out on getting more done because your mind drifts or other distractions pull you away from your work. You will increase your productivity if you can learn how to stay in the now and in the present.